my slime. I just opened it up. Right there, the lid. If you guys want to get this kit, you can. But there's no foam in it. I just put a foam in it, so. It looks cool still. But I made it even cooler. And look at this. Sorry, my camera's being blurry. See, you can just play with it. Oh my gosh. Why is it so... Guys, comment below what kind of foam this is. And comment below what the slime feels like. But to me, oh my gosh, it feels so gooey. What do you think the slime feels like? What kind of foam do you think it is? Okay, guys, comment below. And you guys, comment below and tell me what my name is. Comment below and think of my name and then just tell me what you guys think my name is. Oh my gosh. On the sides, guys. Feel. Ain't it feel weird? It feels so weird and gross. Watch this. Whoa, I just picked it up.